My name is Jacob Crotts. I am 18 years old. I'm the driver for the Funnies VP Racing team, a 2903 car here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Racing started out in our family by my oldest brother, his best friend. He was racing Class 1 cars, and my dad got hooked into it and started navigating for that Class 1, or one of our buddies. And I watched them for 2-3 years, and I helped in the pits, and that was my job, was kind of helping them out. And when I was 15 and a half and got my permit, I was legally allowed to drive a race car with an adult in the car. And so we built one of our play cars and decided to try racing, and I ended up second place my very first race. When I crossed that finish line, and I heard I was second place, and I was like, I gotta continue, I gotta try this. And my next race, my dad actually got in the car with me, and we were doing awesome. And ever since that point of me being able to bond with my dad and bond with my family and friends, and I decided that this is it. This is something I've always wanted to do. And so this got us really close. He's been a big inspiration of pushing me to go harder, try harder, and just keep pushing until the car falls apart.
My name's Crotts. I'm Jacob's younger brother. When Jacob first started, I was his #1 fan, just going out watching. I thought it was the coolest thing ever, so getting in my first race was crazy. I really enjoyed it. It's something I hope to keep doing for a while. Jacob and my dad and I are always in the garage and prepping it for every race and keeping her together.
We're always out working on the car. It's never one of us out on the garage. We're usually almost always working together, and that's what keeps our family close, is we have a lot of bonding time out on the car. That's what keeps us together. Our products we run that are Dynojet are the Power Vision 3 with a custom tune, and we also run the Dynojet clutch kit. The car runs awesome. It's fast. We get it off the line quicker almost than anybody else. We are off the line. That tune, the tuner, it's awesome being able to control the car from right there, being able to do whatever we can to the car, make it faster, and have that car run smooth on race day. I used to visit family down in Arizona, and one of my family members down in Arizona owned a plane, and he took me up one time in the plane, and from then on, I was hooked on it. I love the freedom of being able to go basically wherever you want. I plan on going to college and continuing through to my commercial, and hopefully flying executive or big name brands like Southwest or Spirit Airlines. The adrenaline you get in the air it's like a roller coaster. A good way to put it is a roller coaster, but you can control that roller coaster. And then racing, there's just something else of being able to chase down that next person and have that speed of, I know this car can do so much more, and just keep pushing it and pushing it and pushing to see how fast that car can go.